Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error your credit card has been declined. Please check your payment information and billing address and try again. If you're trying to make a purchase on your iPhone and see that your credit card or payment method is declined, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix it easily. First, open your settings. Make sure you're connected to a strong internet connection. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Then check your VPN connection. So if you have any VPN enabled, disconnect it. Now, go back to the main settings menu. Tap on your Apple ID name at the top and then open payment and shipping. Wait a few seconds while the page loads. Once it opens, you'll see your current payment methods. If you already have a saved card, remove the old payment method. Then add your debit or credit card again by entering the correct details. After you've re-added your card, try making your purchase again. In most cases, this simple step will fix the issue. If your card is still being declined, make sure your billing address matches your bank account information and that your card is active and not expired. And that's it. Your problem should now be fixed. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.